Exercise 1.3 question number 2. Here we have question 2 heading, main heading, and we have 3 sub questions. Find the sums given below. Find the sums given below. So observe here it is not in the form of sequence, just they have added. So how it is like this: a1 plus a2 plus a3 so on up to an. So we have to consider in this a1 is first term. If you subtract these two, we'll get common difference, a2 minus a1. We have to do like this. So now, by observing these two, here they have not given the n till up to, in previous problem they gave up to 10 terms, up to 11 terms, some up to 12 terms like this. But here they have not mentioned the n. So here first we have to find the n value. How to find n value? Nth term formula, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Using that formula, first we have to find n value, then we have to find Sn formula using Sn, sum of terms. So observe, using this, it is like this. Compare these two, a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an. So here a1 is nothing but 7, that is a1 is nothing but a, first term, that is 7. So d common difference means we have to take a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1. So here a2 is 10 and a half. So 10 and a half can be written in decimals, it is 10.5, clear. So 10 and a half can be written as 10.5 minus 7, 10.5 minus 7 will get 3.5. So an is 84, an is 84. So now let us write the formula, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is 84, let us write 84, 7a, n minus 1 we don't know the n value, so let us keep it n minus 1 as it is, d is 3.5. So now let us take 7 to the LHS, it became minus 7, 84 minus 7. As we did in exercise 1.2, the same, finding n value, in the same method we are following here. So 7, if we come to the LHS, it becomes minus 7, n minus 1 as it is, 3.5 as it is. 84 minus 7 will get 77. 77, n minus 1, 3.5. So now 3.5 if we take to the LHS, it becomes division. It here 3.5 is multiplied. So if we take to the LHS, it becomes division. So 77 divided by 3.5. 77 divided by 3.5 will get 22. So you can check here. So observe 22 into 35. Afterwards you can take the decimal point. Here 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 11. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So 0. How much will get? 0, 7, 70. So if we take one decimal point here, it became 77. So same. So what is the answer for 77 divided by 35? Sorry, 3.5. Our answer is 22. So n minus 1 as it is. So if it send minus 1 to the LHS, it became plus 1. 22 plus 1, what we got? 23. So here we got n value 23. How many terms are there here? 23 terms are there. So now let us find the sum of 23 terms. So what is Sn formula? Here we have to take this formula, because as I told you here, first term is given, last term is given. If it is only the first term and common difference, use Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But here a plus an is given here. So directly you can use this formula, n by 2, a plus an. So 23 by 2, 23 by 2, a is 7. What is an? Last term 84. 7 plus 84, it is 91. So here we can't divide 23 by 2. So just you do 23, it is like this, 23 by 2 into 91. Just you multiply these two. 23 into 91, we got 2093 by 2. So this is the sum of the given sequence, or you can sum of these numbers. Clear? So here they gave the sum. Don't think it is other number. Just here instead of giving a1, a2, a3, just they gave a1 plus a2 plus a3 like this. So next sub question 2. Exercise 1.3 question number 2. So 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on up to 10. Here not 10, here just last term is 10 here. So this is a1, A1, A2, A3, so on. This is AN plus here. Instead here they gave plus. So now using this, let us write A equals 34. D is 32 minus 34, it is minus 2. So 32 minus 34 minus 2. AN is 10. So again nth term formula, AN 10, A is 34, N minus 1, D is minus 2. So let us take 34 this side, it became minus 34, N minus 1 minus 2. 10 minus 34, it is minus 24, N minus 1 minus 2. So if it is multiplied, then if it enter the LHS, it is divided. So it is like this, 24 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s are 2 12s are. So what we got? 12 is equal to n minus 1. Now send minus 1 to the LHS, it becomes plus 1. 12 plus 1, we got n value 30. Now let us find the sum of 13 terms. Clear? The same thing again, here an is given. So take this formula, Sn equals 13 by 2. 34 plus 10, A is 34, An is 2. So 34 plus 10, it is 44. So how it is? Like this it is. So 13 by 2 into 44. Clear? So if we multiply, 2 1s are 2 22s are. Just you divide these two. If it is like this, you can cancel easily. Otherwise, just you have to multiply the numerators and keep the denominator as it is. So here it is divisible. 2 1s are 2 22s are. Now 22 into 13. 13 2s are 26. 2 carry. 13 2s are 26, 28. So how many got? 286. The sum of 13 terms. Here n value. So here in previous problem they gave n value. So directly we took a Sn formula and substituted. We got the sum. But in second heading, we have to find n value using An formula. Then we have to substitute this n value in Sn and we have to find the sum. In the same, here we have third sub question. Observe here, the question is like this, minus 5 plus minus 8, the sequence is like this, minus 5, minus 8, so on. It is like this, all are minus. So instead of this, they gave like this, minus separately. So An, so this is A1 plus A2 plus A3, so on up to An. So using this, let me write A equals minus 5, D. So how to write D? A2 minus A1. So what is A2? Minus 8. Minus of minus 5. Minus 8 minus of minus 5. Minus 8 plus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 will get minus 3. So D is minus 3. So what is the last term here? Minus 130. So An is minus 130. So let me take the An formula. An equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute all the given. An is minus 1 to 30. A is minus 5. N minus 1, keep it as it is, D is minus 3. So now minus 5 if we take to the LHS, it became plus 5. So 230 plus 5, N minus 1 minus 3. So 230 plus 5 minus 230 plus 5, we got minus 225, N minus 1 into 3. So now we have to take minus 3 to the LHS, it become division. So it is like this, 225 by minus 3, minus minus cancel. So observe here, 3 7s are 21. So 1 remains. So it became 15. So 3 5s are. So our answer is 75. So now 75 is equal to N minus 1. So if we take minus 1 to the LHS, it becomes plus 1. So 75 plus 1, we got 76. That means here we have to take N as 76, sum of 76. So if we take the same thing N by 2, same formula, because An is given. So A plus An, 76 by 2 minus 5 plus of minus 230. Clear? So here plus is in the formula itself, but An value is minus 230. So 76 by 2, it is 38, minus 5 minus 230, minus 5 minus 230, it is minus 235. So minus 235 into 38, we got 8930 minus here. Clear? So what is the answer? Minus 8930. If you multiply these two, you will get this much. The sum of 76 terms, it is minus 8930 is the answer.